You are watching Kiddo TDV. Bee. Bees have 6 legs, 3 parts to their body, and 5 eyes in total. There are over 20,000 different types of bees in the world, and they live in colonies except the Antarctica. Moth. Moths are insects of the order Lepidoptera, closely related to butterflies. Moths have feather-like antennae, thick hairy bodies, and earth tone-colored wings. Butterflies are insects. Butterflies flap their wings about 5 times every second. Spider! Spiders have 8 legs. They can spin webs. Some spiders jump far. They're not insects. Most are harmless. Ladybird. Ladybirds create a yellow, oily fluid from the joints in their legs when threatened, which acts as a reminder to predators that they don't taste nice and are poisonous. Ant. Ants can lift 20 to 50 times their own body weight. If a second grader was as strong as an ant, they could pick up a car. Dragonflies. There are over 5,000 species of dragonflies in the world, and they come in different colors and sizes. Flies. There are over 100,000 species of flies in the world. Flies lay their eggs on different things like fruit, food, animals, and rotting flesh. Mosquitoes are a small flying insect with many species that feed on blood from a live host. Mosquito is Spanish for little fly. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers don't have ears on their heads. They have ears on their bellies. There are over 10,000 different species of grasshoppers. Beetles come in a lot of colors, such as bright yellow, green, red, orange, or purple. Cockroaches have been around since the time of dinosaurs. A cockroach can live almost a month without food and about 2 weeks without water. Centipedes are arthropods with many legs. They are predators and hunt during the night. Worm. Baby worms hatch from cocoons smaller than a grain of rice.